So we left South Carolina on our way back to Virginia, and guess what we found? Highway 55 in North Carolina, the home of Highway 55, previously known as Andy's, as said on that sign. So guess what we're doing today? We're not just eating, we're gonna do the Highway 55 Burger Challenge. I don't think this needs explanation. It's about 3.5 pounds of beef, four toppings, a bun, 6 ounces of fries, and a 24-ounce drink. So let's head in, let's do this challenge. I'm excited. This is like an icon of food challenges, and I'm kind of hungry. Sorry, my calories are going to be very high this week. So with that, let's go see what this is like. Hey everybody, Joel Hansen here. Today, super excited. We're at Highway 55 in Stedman, North Carolina. So here we have the burger. I believe it is 55 ounces of beef. We have 6 ounces of fries and a 24-ounce drink. I went with an iced tea because sweet tea, because it's very American. So with that, we're going to start here at the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I got another one. Yeah, bring it on.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, and I am super excited to be presenting the Highway 55 Burger Challenge. I was so excited to do this challenge, and here in Stedman, North Carolina, they made this experience super memorable. The burger itself was absolutely delicious, although extraordinarily hot, making it difficult to eat, and I didn't have my beverages set up the way I should have. That being said, tune on in, see how this challenge goes, and let's get eating.
That's Stedman style right there.
The game plan for this challenge was simple. Split the burgers up patty by patty, eat them, finish off with the fries. That being said, I had to switch to the fries and stop eating the patties because they were so hot. Also, in trying to avoid burning myself, I had to use the drink, not just for the purpose of propelling the food down my throat, but also to help cool the food down in my mouth, essentially. So both those things kind of slowed me down a little bit, to which when, not if, but when I do this challenge again, I will make sure that the burgers cooled down a bit, and hopefully I'll have my beverages set up a little better at that. Highway 55 is a burger location not in Canada, and while we also tried to try a number of other burger places that are not available in Canada, such as In-N-Out, Hardee's, White Castle, we obviously didn't get to try them all. So, do me a huge favor, because I'm heading down in the States again soon. Comment down below what your favorite burger place is that I have to check out, and I'll make sure I go and eat a burger there. Done. It was pretty good. It was good. It's tasty.
You want another one?
I think maybe we'll pass just to be humble.
Yeah. Dessert later, right?
That's right.
Is there anything I can get you?
What's a double Sunday?
I'm good for now, I think. You know, we had him on the double Sunday. No, it's
I think
pretty
he's ready
good.
for another one, I told him.
I don't know. There you go. It was good.
All right, well, I want to take care of her. You guys came all the way to Canada for this? Yeah. I got you a pretty tall baby. Yeah. You want a milkshake?
Do you want a milkshake? You get some to have a bite.
Frozen custard. Have you ever had frozen custard? It's premium made ice cream we make here, fresh, every day. We just made a batch.
Okay, you better.
We'll take care of you. So you want vanilla? Do you want anything sprinkled on it? Like, we have any kind of candy you can think of, or vanilla.
She likes,
We have hot fudge, we have strawberry, we have caramel too.
She likes peanut butter and chocolate and all that stuff.
Can I hook you up?
Yeah.
You like peanut butter cup?
I'll just have a bit of hers. Alright everybody, so we just finished a challenge. That was delicious. It was 4 minutes, 46 seconds roughly. That's an okay time. It was really hot. I was struggling to eat it there, especially with beverages. They had a lot of ice in them, but it was really good. Actually, the burger was delicious. If I lived here, I would be here very, very often. Kudos to the staff. Everybody here is so awesome. We have people watching us, recording us, and the manager lady here is just exceptional. She's giving us ice cream, and just like the hospitality is amazing. Really true Southern hospitality. So that, everybody, 4 minutes, 46 seconds. Meh, I'll do better next time. So with that, until then, happy eating. The lady gave us ice cream as well. We have peanut butter and chocolate and cups, and this is their house-made custard. It's made every day. So, let's see what this tastes like. Oh boy. Look at this. Wow. That's good. Holy peanut butter. Nika loves peanut butter, so this is a great treat. Again, everybody's here is great. Again, special thanks to everybody here, including Marcy, the manager. You are excellent. And here we have Aiden and Gracie. Special shout out to them. They watched the challenge, and they're really cool people. So, thanks for coming by, and we appreciate it there. About to pass into North Carolina.
North Carolina.
Everywhere in North Carolina, I'm seeing signs for barbecue buffets. Where has this been all my life? Here we are at Danika's favorite place, McDonald's. But use the bathroom really bad, so I'm gonna go. We just got out of McDonald's. There's so many damn cool things. Down here you can get Diet Dr. Pepper, you can get sweet tea, and look at this buttermilk biscuit chicken thing. None of this is available in Canada.